What's good, my people? You see, guys, I don't want to sound arrogant or rude, but sometimes I'm even so ashamed to hear that some people can't even make $10 a day trading crypto arbitrage, guys. Like you can see right now, guys, this is my balance of 10,316, and this is my beautiful. As you can see, what do you see that? That's a beautiful silver watch. You can see this is not a regular watch, guys, and that's my S26 Ultra Samsung phone, and the one that I'm holding. I'm also in my V8 today. I'm not with my Mercedes. I'm on my V8 engine car, and all courtesy of trading crypto arbitrage, guys. It's very simple. What you need to do is create an account on Binance.com. You can see right now on my Binance I have 700 USDT, and then after you create the account, you click on these three dots here, you deposit your funds, or you can also buy without depositing. And then, guys, you go to P2P trading here. All right, and then you, after depositing, you click on sell, for example, and then you put amount, for example, USDT, choose USDT here, and then amount, let's say you're starting with 100 because you're a beginner. And then, guys, you scroll down here, you find the vendors with the best offers. For example, you find a vendor who has at least 1.3 and above. So I'll find a vendor here. Let's see whether I can get a vendor with the 1.3. This is 1.2, 1.2, that one 1.41. Yes, so I'll click sell to this one, and then I'll put amount 100. Right, and then, guys, the next step, you see the payment will be 137. So 37 is the profit, and then I'll continue. And now you can see what they're telling me, I need to deposit funds on my funding wallet. So if it tells you that, what you need to do, just go to click on these three dots again, like that, and then you go to wallet, and then you click on transfer funds, and then you choose cryptocurrency, Tether USDT, the one that you have in your account. You can see my money is on spot wallet, so I'm going to transfer all of it to my funding wallet. Very easy. And then I'll confirm, so I'm now transferring, and now you can see all money has been transferred to funding wallet. So now I'll go and place that trade again. So I'll go to P2P trading, right? Click sell, and then I'll scroll down. I'll choose USDT here, and I'll put amount 100 as we said. Or you can just not put amount, but it's good if you put amount so that you can get the vendors with such kind of amount, 100, like that. And then you scroll down here, you find another vendor with the good rate. This one is called Chisomo Mwale, has 1.43, so I'll click sell to this one. And then, guys, you put amount, let's say 100, all right, and then I'll click confirm, and then submit. And I'll click on payment first, and then I'll choose payment method. I'll choose a TRC20, all right, and you can see now I'm able to be paid to my address. I can choose my payment address here or my Binance Spot wallet. So I'll choose my payment address, and then I'll choose my Binance Spot wallet, and then click submit, like this. You can see now the trade has been submitted to the vendor. So I'll now scroll down here and text this vendor. I'll click on chat vendor, and I'll say hi, how are you? So I just want to tell the vendor to release the trade faster. So how are you? Just for example, guys, don't just sit there just watching TVs and without doing anything worth in your life. Okay, remember this video is for educational purpose only, so that TikTok won't ban me. How are you doing? So I'll just send the message and wait for the vendor to reply. Yeah, the vendor is online, so she said, Jisomwale said, no problem, just ready to get this trade done. Go ahead and send what crypto. Okay, so I'm waiting for the vendor to pay the amount to my spot wallet. I could have chosen my address, but I want it to be deposited on my account so that I can withdraw back to my Binance address. All right. You can also watch my first pinned video on my account. It has all the steps, one step to the next. It has all the steps, guys. You can watch it and you can do exactly what I have done step by step. If this video doesn't show all the steps that are listed here, all right? I'll show you the video in a moment, so let's wait for the payment. Still waiting for the trade to complete, guys. The vendor hasn't paid yet, right? So just waiting for the vendor to pay still. And as you can see, guys, I'm also on my V8 car today. I'm not with my Mercedes GLE 400D. I'm on my V8. And you can see, guys, the music that is in this car, it's quite something, right? You can see it's a very beautiful car, right? It's a very, very beautiful car. So I'm still waiting for the vendor to pay me here. Let's just hang tight for a moment, and the vendor will release the trade. Let's wait. Let's hang tight. Just hanging tight, guys. And the vendor has paid. Trade paid by vendor. So now the next step is to release this trade. You can see, guys, you don't release if you have not confirmed if the vendor has paid yet. So I'll go back to my account, and then I'll log in again. Let me log in again, guys. Let me log in again, and then I'll confirm if the vendor has really paid me. So I'll click on these three dots again, and I'll go to my wallet, and now you can see my portfolio here. It's now 730. I had 700 that time. So now I'll go back to transaction history here, and then I'll click on status, this one, and then, guys, I'll now load the trade, and then I'll release this trade like this, and then I'll submit here and put thank you. So, and then I'll submit this review. All right, it's very simple like that. And now the next step, guys, next step is to go and withdraw. So to withdraw, you just go to wallet here, and then you click on withdraw. And then after clicking on withdraw, guys, it's now loading. Just give it a few seconds. Sometime when the exchange is loading like that, maybe you need to check your network, or you just give it time. So, guys, now you can see, now I'm ready to withdraw the funds, and I can put my address here, and I'll withdraw all the funds to my wallet. And also, guys, I will not do the withdrawal right now because I need to continue trading. And you can see my Binance has 10,316, which is equivalent to 1,335 Kenyan shillings. And if you want to know how to trade, how the whole trade came out, just go to here, go here, guys, here, you can see, and then come and watch this first pinned video here. This one has 379 and more. You can also watch this one that is pinned with a different exchange, another one, and I have many videos here. Just scroll down here and you'll see I have many videos that you can watch and learn trading for free. Remember, guys, you can also join my Telegram channel by clicking this link. All right, I think I have a very slow network, but once you click on that link and it loads you like that, you need to click on these three dots here, and then you click open in browser, and it will take you direct to my Telegram channel, guys. All right, so that's how it's working. So this is my Telegram channel here, and you'll join there and you'll get free videos and everything. You can see I have a network problem, but don't worry, just do exactly what I have showed you, and may God bless you while you watch this. And also don't forget to like and share to others so they can also benefit. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I'm teaching. Thank you so much. Cheers.